Maybe. Alright, I'm just going to see if you can feel that. Anything there?
No.
So this shiny little object here that's moving, that's his bone. Gauze. Plastic wrap gauze, will that work? See, don't doubt
Just
it.
as long as there's plastic wrapping somewhere.
Correct. So I'm trying just to loosen it up a bit. And then we're gonna nip it as far down as I can get it because I don't want to leave any of the bone in there that is infected. Okay. So, well, look at that. I didn't even have to cut it. I just identified the distal interphalangeal joint, stuck the sharp curette into it, and the piece of bone just fell out in my lap. So, well, there you go.
Sorry, I had a little bit of a spasm there.
No, it's okay, honey. Listen, that was the easiest bone biopsy excision.
She stole my bone.
Right. So I need the saline in a syringe. We're gonna flush it out. Did you get it? Okay.
Do you want to send us some?
Yeah, we'll take a picture of it, but we'll send it. Is that what you asked me?
Yes. We were going to send it before.
Does it feel weird?
It's an odd.
Alright, we're going to put a retention stitch in it. And what that means is I'm just going to hold the skin edges together, but it'll still be able to drain out. I'm actually going to... Do we have sterile scissors too? To cut the...
I can go grab some.
I'm going to put a piece of betadine packing down in there.
Okay.
That way the drainage will attach to it and it'll have a way to get out. Okay?
Okay.
Hopefully this is going to close up in just a couple of weeks.
Okay.
Yeah. And you won't have to worry about
What about showering in the morning or something like that? Do I need to keep it dry?
Wrap it up. A garbage bag on it. And I've heard that Glad Press and Seal, if you put like a couple of layers up on you, it helps. I know that sounds crazy, but
So keep your foot dry.
yeah,
Keep it change. How often should I change the gauze?
you should not. You're gonna come back and see me.
So it's going to stay bandaged for 4 weeks.
No. You're gonna come back and see me. Probably on Monday, and I'll change it. But you are funny. You can come back all the time if you want.
Ow. Muscle spasm. It's not you.
Yeah, you're okay. It's not me, it's you, right?
I'm not breaking up with you. I didn't know even we're at the beginnings of a relationship. I'm a little shocked now.
I went out there and I told Dr. Barco, here's here. I said, I know that this is our first date, but I'm gonna cut the tip of his toe off. So...
This didn't start out well.
Oh goodness.
You probably didn't come in today expecting to have part of your belt taken out.
I had no idea what to
Here,
expect.
gauze.
I'm not a doctor and I don't play one on TV.
I do.
I did try. So, have to keep it dry till Monday. Good, it's a good excuse to work remote. Sorry, boss. I have to work remote.
Correct.
Isn't it lovely that we can work remote? Well, you can. It would be great.
I could amputate your toe over the phone.
Get a robot, you know, and he can come in. They do that. I think it's UK and Central Baptist are now doing that robot laparoscopy. It's easy for me to say.
Correct. Yeah, it's amazing what they can do. Okay, just cut them long for me, buddy. Okay.
But I will be on the antibiotic starting today.
Correct.
And you called it into Beaumont.
I've already sent it.
Those poor little guys at Beaumont, they get lost. I don't know how many times I've gone there. Do you have a prescription for me? Oh! Well, that was boring.
I know.
I was hoping for much more.
I was waiting for it to crunch. It was
Didn't holler clear once.
Stat!